You know, usually they count down, and then when they get to 3, they go 3. You didn't give me any countdown.
You did the whole 5 seconds.
All right. Hey everyone, I know it's been quite a while since the last updates with Mike, but we have been busy behind the scenes, working hard, trying to come up with our new products, new keyboards, new keycap sets, and we finally are at a point where we can share some significant updates with you. With this Updates with Mike, we're also going to add close-up shots. Hope you all enjoy. First thing I want to talk about is the keyboard meetup. This is Novel Key's second keyboard meetup. It's happening November 12th in Morgantown, West Virginia. There are a load of vendors coming from all over the world showing off their products, and we are also going to be showing off our new keyboard, our new keycap sets at this meetup. Really looking forward to seeing you all there. The second thing I want to talk about is our mystery switches. We must have received over 100 messages asking us when will these be back in stock. Well, because of this demand, I reached out to numerous manufacturers, and we are going to bring mystery switches back and have them at the same price point, but we're going to have more variety and more manufacturers than before. Aiming to have these live by end of year. Stay tuned for that. Moving on, Star Wars sets. We currently have 3 of these in stock. We have Tatooine, Mandalorian, and Boba Fett is on the wall. You probably can't see it in the shot. Coming later this year will be 4 unique Star Wars sets to add to that roster. They will be $99. We're very excited to show those off. Some of the sets will be at the keyboard meetup. All right, the next thing to talk about is TypeOut. Wendell is very excited that I'm sharing more information about his game that he's been working on so hard. We've made significant progress with this, and we're very thankful for everyone who participated in our playtest. We will be doing one more playtest later this year. Please join our Discord to find out more information. We could really use your help to stress test this game, so join the Discord, find out more information, get a playtest key. After that playtest is complete, we're going to move on to early access, and the game will cost $5. Once we're fully done with the game and we are 100% happy with it, it's going to be released for a full version of the game at $10. Again, join our Discord. You can find the link at the bottom of our website. All right, following up, I have an update on the Cream Clicky switches. I know I said they were ready before, but there was a minor adjustment we needed to make, and now we are fully happy with the way they turned out. They sound great. They're truly a unique clicky switch with an idea that hasn't been done before in MX style. This is a more complex switch, so it's going to cost around 90 cents when we're ready to release. These are in production, and I hope to have these by the end of the year. Stay tuned for more on the Cream Clickies. We're not done with cream switches just yet. I have another unique linear switch that I'm not going to share a lot of information, but I'm just going to let you know that it's in the works. This is just a linear switch with a highly customizable option. Stay tuned. We'll share more once we are ready. Also, I'm so happy that I can finally talk about our next switch. Yeah, so with that, I'm glad that I can finally share more details about this switch. Now that the Box 75 is complete and in transit to Novel Keys, we want to show off the Box 65 by the same designer. It looks very similar to the original Box 75, but it is completely revamped in almost every way. Can't wait to show you more details on this, and stay tuned to your favorite streamers as we're going to be sending out review units to everyone to check out. Close-up pans. Now, I briefly want to talk to you about my most excited part of this whole Updates with Mike. Our new keyboard that we're coming out with in 2023, the NK Plus. This is a brand new mounting system, a complete departure from the NK65 and the NK87, featuring a 65 extended layout. With this keyboard, we're aiming for you to be able to make the keyboard your own. And by that, you're going to be able to change the way that it feels from stiffness to flexibility, from the sound with the various dampening materials that we're going to offer, to the look of the keyboard. And with the look of the keyboard, we're also going to be selling the keyboard in a completely new way, and we will have more details on that closer to launch. Stay tuned for more details on the NK+. For Updates with Mike, that's everything we got. Hope you enjoy. See you next time if we continue this process. Also in 2022, Brody has a new office buddy, Wendell and Kate.